Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So in this video I wanted to try the famous TikTok curls. So for this method of heatless curls, all you need is a pair of socks. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so this is the final result after using socks as a method of heatless curls, and I really hope that you like it. Do let me know in the comment section if you liked the video and if you like this kind of method of heatless curls and if you already tried it. And also please do like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!